A dirty windshield impairs visibility both in the daytime and at night. With this windshield, the driver finds it difficult to size up the situation on the road, and it is also one of the most common causes of accidents. Perhaps, the greatest deal of problems is caused by streaks that occur due to poor windshield cleaning. In sunny weather, they may cause reflection glare that blinds the driver and increases the likelihood of a traffic accident. Special washer fluids are normally used to remove this kind of streaks. Depending on the season when a washer fluid is used, its basic formulation may contain water, alcohol, surfactants, glycol, dyes and fragrances, and the main process that determines the final product quality involves mixing of these constituents. The use of low-speed mechanical mixers does not allow producing the solutions resistant to layering, suitable for long-term storage and high-quality windshield cleaning. In view of the above, GlobeCore has developed a technology for production of washer fluids based on USB 5 high-speed reactor-type mixing units. The units allow mixing up to 6 constituents added in the required proportions. The equipment works with both free-flowing solid and liquid constituents that are fed into the reaction tank through special inlets or a hatch, while a high-speed impeller mixer ensures uniform mixing and dissolution of the constituents. The output of the USB 5 unit is a homogeneous washer fluid that does not settle out into layers during long-term storage and transportation and ensures high-quality windshield cleaning. GlobeCore manufactures USB 5 mixing units with reaction tank volumes ranging from hundreds to thousands of liters. This makes such units suitable for use by enterprises with a large vehicle fleet, as well as by factories engaged in production and sale of washer fluids. In addition to its flexible capacity, USB 5 can be customized to meet the individual needs of each production facility. Customers may choose the number of constituents to be mixed, order additional pumps, a heating or cooling system, or install an automatic control system. The compact dimensions and modular design of the USB 5 unit ensure easy integration into both new and existing production facilities. This makes it possible to increase the efficiency and productivity of the washer fluid production process without considerable installation and maintenance costs. And what kind of equipment do you use for windshield washer fluid production? Share your experience of using this equipment in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for windshield washer fluid production can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.